Welcome to our second video on the Strategy Builder tool, which is available on the National Bank Direct Brokerage Transactional Platform. As a recap, in our previous video, we showed how an investor can apply an investment strategy by screening for stocks by selecting different criteria and then further customizing them. Strategy Builder can also help investors that are looking to invest with a certain strategy in mind or an investment theme but don't know where to begin or which criteria to select. This video will show you how to do this. To begin, to access the Strategy Builder tool, you need to click on the Markets heading, then select Trading Central from the drop-down menu, then select Strategy Builder from the secondary heading list. On the left, we have the Explore section, which has a list of investment themes, preset screens, and community screens that can be used as a starting point. We have a final category named Expert Strategies that have been developed and fine-tuned by Trading Central's team of analysts and backtested. If you are looking for stocks that are part of investment theme, Strategy Builder offers several to choose from. By placing your mouse over the picture, a brief explanation is provided. Next, by clicking on it, the matches will appear as well as the recent performance and the stock price. The goal here is to provide you with a list of stocks as a starting point for further analysis. Please note that the backtesting function is unavailable for the themed lists unless additional criteria are added. To go back to the starting screen, we can click on Discover. Our next category is Preset Screens. By clicking it, you'll have a varied list of screens to choose from. These screens are made up of commonly used criteria that can often be used as building blocks for creating a screen or a quick list. We can see a list of top performers, top dividends, value stocks, upside momentum, as well as many others. Let's take a closer look at top dividends. By hovering over it, we have a brief description of the selection criteria used to create this screen. By clicking on it, we are now in the Matches section. From this view, we can make changes like specifying we only want stocks on Canadian exchanges, and by clicking on Bulk Edit, we will have the entire list of criteria used in a customizable version. You can either use their choices or make additional changes. You can even add more criteria by clicking here. Strategy Builder has over 50 different categories that you can choose from, including technical analysis. Now, if we take a few moments to look at the matches, the top 10 have been highlighted by Strategy Builder and they've been ranked based on the criteria. By clicking on the stock, you will learn why it ranked first, as well as other useful information. As we scroll down, we can see where it ranked in each of the chosen criteria. The preset screens allows the investor to start their strategy without the need to build it from scratch. Once completed, you can scroll down the page to the historical performance section, then select the market benchmark and click on Calculate. Name this new screen and click on OK. Strategy Builder will then backtest the portfolio using the selected criteria and provide a return going back 5 years. If you are happy with the results, keep the screen info. If not, go back and make more adjustments. Now, if we head back to the main page, our next section is our community screens. These strategies have been created and shared by National Bank Direct Brokerage clients. Just like the previous section, these varied lists can be modified. Let's now move on to the expert strategies. As mentioned, these strategies have been created, backtested, and regularly updated by the Trading Central analyst team. Here we can see some familiar themes such as growth, value, income. We also have some strategies that use technical analysis criteria such as strong upward momentum or top classic pattern. The fact that an investor can select fundamental or technical analysis criteria and even combine them makes Strategy Builder a powerful tool. If we take a closer look at US growth by clicking on it, we are provided with a description of the strategy and the criteria used. Just like in the previous lists, we can add extra criteria or click on Bulk Edit if we want to take a closer look and make our own changes. Lastly, if you are satisfied with the chosen strategy, you can scroll up and click Save to save this strategy, but also to set up alerts. Strategy Builder will advise you whenever there is a change to any of the top 10 results. As you can see, Strategy Builder can be a useful tool to help you find and validate investment ideas, but also provide an ongoing follow-up with the alerts and backtesting function. This concludes our video on the Strategy Builder tool.